Hey guys, today I'm going to grill some pork country style ribs. So let's get queuing. I have a package of pork loin country style ribs. Now these are not actual ribs. What they are is just a pork loin cut into strips to look like ribs. Now this is pretty lean. The ones that I see more often and I think that are more common are cut from pork shoulder, and they have more fat and sometimes bones in them. But I think, yeah, like I said, those are a little bit cheaper, but these are a little bit leaner, but they're a little bit more expensive because there's no bones or as much fat in them. Now these are $3.99 a pound. I think the pork shoulder ones are usually about $2.49 per pound. But anyway, this is 1.41 pounds and it was $5.63 for these. Now see, they're just cut into strips. Actually, you could just take a pork loin and just cut it up yourself if you wanted to. It'd probably be a little bit cheaper that way. I didn't cut them all the way through, so I have to finish cutting those through. Sometimes I have problems with leaner meats sticking to the grill, so I'm going to put a little bit of avocado oil on these. That will help hopefully prevent them from sticking to the grill as bad, and also it will help the barbecue rub stick. This is the rub by the J. Christopher Company, so I'm just going to use that. I use this rub quite a bit. If you don't have barbecue rub, you can just use salt and pepper. I've done that as well. I have my grill turned up to high and it's been preheating for about 10 minutes here, so we'll go ahead and get these on there. Now you want to cook these to an internal temperature, a minimum internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Now these are pretty thin pieces of meat, so that really shouldn't take too long. So we'll get the lid on and let them cook on that side for a little bit. It's been about 4 or 5 minutes, so I can probably turn these over now, I think. Nice grill marks. Looks good. Oh yeah. Looking really good. Okay. Now we'll get the lid back down and let them finish cooking on that side for a few minutes. It's been about 3 or 4 minutes on that side. I'm going to start checking the internal temperature of these here. 171. That one's only 138. That one's about 141. These are just about done. I'll let them cook for just about another minute. These look good. They're done. So the cooking time was about 10 minutes. Now I'm just going to brush some barbecue sauce on them. This is Kinder's Mild. These smell really good. I'll cut one in half so we can see what the inside looks like here. Looks good. Looks pretty juicy. Let's give it a taste. Those are really good. Annie's going nuts over here. Want to try it, Annie? There you go. That was a big chunk. Had to chew it a little, but you swallowed that pretty quick. Annie approved. Those little things are good, and they're cooked really fast, like 10 minutes. If you had the pork shoulder ones that have bones in them, they may take a little bit longer, but you know, and if you do it on charcoal, same thing, just put them directly over the coals and just, you know, let them cook through and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. See you guys.